Hey guys, so I constantly keep getting questions about Doggy and stuff, and I think a lot of people are like coming to me for like their information on Doggy and what exactly is going on. Currently right now, I wouldn't say that it's melting, but it definitely is going to go down. For the day, we created a new low of 0.009 cents, right? Usually when we create lows like that, it tends to usually hit. So to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually hit this 0.009 cent level. If we hit this again sometime, today or in the next couple of days. But we're having the hardest time crossing over that 4-hour MACD. And I keep telling you guys, once that 4-hour MACD gets crossed, it's over. And the thing is, something is keeping DogeCoin under a cent, and I don't know what it is. Because Bitcoin, if it's actually has any correlation to Bitcoin, Bitcoin already touched $40,000. So, just by that, you guys know, just on that, you guys can know that, DogeCoin doesn't have correlation to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs and DogeCoin is still consolidating in this level right here, right? Like, it hasn't broken out. It's just been staying consistent for the last week or so, the last couple of days. As of right now, I'm still 100% bullish for the next 2 to 3 weeks. I already told you guys I'm bullish on DogeCoin 2 to 3 weeks. And this play right here, currently up $1,600, 550,000 DogeCoins, and I have $5,200 invested. More so like a little bit more than $3,000 or so, right? As of right now, still bullish, not selling. I told you guys this is either going to zero or it's gonna hit $1 for, in a stupid fucking way, because valuations, like I told you, I don't think valuations fucking matter anymore. Look at Tesla, look at fucking Bitcoin. Valuations actually mattered. You wouldn't see all these tech companies running up like that, So that's basically what the whole basis of DogeCoin is what I'm putting this on. If we do hit $1 sometime this year, that'd be fantastic, because guess what? I'm just up $500,000. And if we can hit $1, I definitely think that we can hit $10, because why the fuck not, dude? We're in 2021. Bitcoin just broke $40,000. Elon Musk is the richest man fucking alive, and Tesla is getting close to being like one of the most, like the top, like the company that's worth the most in all of the United States. And Tesla being at $1,000 is absolutely insane. So if Tesla can hit $1,000 possibly this year, there's like almost 100% chance that Tesla's going to 1,000. If Tesla can hit $1,000, why the fuck can DogeCoin not hit minimum at least $1 and even $10, right? So still holding. Either this is going to zero or we're all making a shit ton of money. Nobody knows, right? But this is why it's called fool's insurance. You put money and you just kind of let it ride, see what happens.